Now here is problem 13. Along the route of a bicycle race, 7 water stations are evenly spaced between the start and finish lines as shown in the figure below. So here's the start line, here's the finish line over here, and 7 water stations have been evenly spaced between them. There are also 2 repair stations evenly spaced between the start and the finish lines, but they're not really shown here. The third water station is located 2 miles after the first repair station. So this might sound a bit confusing, but let's just go through with it. So the third water station, which is what will come up over here, is 2 miles after the first repair station. So remember, there are 2 repair stations. So let's put one over here and one over here, and they're also evenly spaced between the start and the finish lines. So if the gap from here to here is 2 miles, this distance is 2 miles, how long is the race in miles? So this problem might actually sound or look a bit hard, but if we just analyze it systematically, the solution follows very quickly. So let's see. So the unknown is the distance between the start and the finish lines. So this distance over here, let's call it D. And now we have these 7 water stations evenly spaced through this distance, which means that these 7 water stations divide this distance into 8 equal parts. And therefore, this over here, how much will the distance of this water station be from the start line? So this will be D over 8. What about this one? So this will be 2D over 8. What about this one? So this will be 3D over 8, and so on. The 7th water station will be at a distance of 7D over 8 from the start line. And now if you look at the repair stations, so there are only 2 repair stations evenly spaced through this distance D. So these 2 divide the distance into 3 equal parts, and therefore this one over here will be at a distance of D over 3 from the start line. So this distance from the start line to this repair station is D over 3, and the distance from the start line to this third water station is 3D over 8, and we know that the difference between them is 2 miles. So now we get our equation: 3D over 8 minus D over 3 should be equal to 2. So let's just solve that equation. So 3D over 8 minus D over 3 should be equal to 2. The lowest common multiple of 8 and 3 is 24. So let's just multiply both sides by 24. So we will get 24 times this expression is 2 times 24, which is 48. And then when we multiply 24 with this, we should get 9D minus, when we multiply 24 by this, we should get 8D. So 9D minus 8D is equal to 48, which means that D is equal to 48. So that's our answer. The distance between the start and the finish line is this option here, 48.